I am maintaining more state at this page level. Of course, the intent is that this component, video selection page, is going to be embedded inside of the real Glowing Telegram front end, where it's going to be used. It's going to be plugged into like API calls and the backends and all that sort of stuff. So the idea with this repository is just to provide front end components. And at least at the moment, what I'm doing here is we are maintaining state. So I think there's an amount of state that makes sense to maintain inside of this component hierarchy. So like essentially the playhead of the video isn't something that the container application will need, I think. And so that state is just maintained in this component. Currently the list of clips is also maintained in here in the state of this component, which we'll see if that somewhat needs to be extracted. The other thing here is that a lot of the functionality of this page component is composed of different child components that this package, this library provides. So it's not, I'm not 100% sure if the use case for this, the video editor component library is going to be using this component or using these parts and then doing that work of putting them all together in the front end. And so that's something I haven't really decided one way or the other. I've just started using it, and we'll, adjust based on how things shake out. There'll be a point where, maybe we need to integrate something into how these things operate, and it'll make more like the details that we would put in here would be more about the back end of Glowing Telegram, in which case that doesn't belong in this repository, and in in this repository, in this library. So it wouldn't make sense to then have this component be here, this page component. So that's my thinking on the subject anyway.
Still editing shorts manually? You're wasting time. VIDFLOOD turns one long video into dozens of shorts automatically. Search Google